if you follow them, they tell you everything, how you have to do, what you have to do. You can achieve whatever you want if you follow them. Maybe you don't want to skip any teacher for any subjects. You have to follow everyone. No offline classes, nothing. You don't have to burden yourself with that offline sitting thing for 10 hours. You just have to sit in your comfort zone and you just have to study. That's all you have to do with them. Even Zenham members like, I don't give breaks, because you are not the one who is talking. I'm the one who is teaching. You just have to listen. So do whatever you want, just listen.
Hi, welcome to Cerebral Hum. How are you and what's your name? Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ria Paul and I just cleared my FMG and I'm glad I joined Cerebellum. And that too I joined from the lab 2 and it's really amazing. Like I joined from lab 2. Because of that, maybe I guess 151, it's great. Like I somehow passed and it's great. It was a great journey to join Cerebellum. This family is great, really. I learned a lot from here.
And who's your favorite tutor out here?
Yeah, Zainab ma'am. Obviously, it's Zainab ma'am and also Amrit sir. Sorry, yeah, he is a great faculty. Like surgery, I studied for the very first time, and he was amazing. He is amazing. Like he made surgery so easy. It was best. It was the best.
See, Dr. Zainab ma'am के बारे में तो बहुत कुछ सुन चुकी हूँ. Now it's like I know her inside out.
Yeah.
Yes, all
she is
the
amazing.
students.
Yeah.
It's like now I stay with her, I live with her, eat with her, drink with her. Because, I have been hearing from each and every student that Zainab ma'am is this, Zainab ma'am is this, Zainab ma'am is
Yeah,
that.
she is that celebrity face for student.
Exactly.
That's why you're hearing that.
True, very true.
Yeah.
Even I met her and that feeling was like, just so contagious that
Yeah, her aura.
positive
it is
vibe,
different.
that aura,
Yeah,
that positivity that you get.
It is. It is like that only.
It's a blessing to be like that.
It is a blessing to have her nearby, and like I have to meet her again. Like she is very sweet. She is very down to earth. She has achieved a lot, and still she is very nice. She is very down to earth. She is the favorite teacher. Like I guess for everyone, she is the favorite one.
So tell me, that was the faculty that supported you. Did your family support you? Friends support you?
Everybody, to be honest, everybody. You need everybody's support for clearing this thing. Because after you are coming from another country, after living there for 6 years, 5-6 years, and then to like adjust in India and at the same time to crack this exam in a first go, it is hard. To be honest, it is hard. And I joined from lab 2 only. I didn't even attended lab 1, and like after lab 2, and then I'm like for the first attempt I'm like clearing this FMG. It was amazing experience, all because of these teachers, all because of this mission classes. Yeah, I followed everything they said, like blindly I followed them. Maybe that's why it happened. I wish I have attended lab 1 also. Maybe my rank or maybe my number would have been great, like great one. Maybe I can achieve their mission 200 plus thing. I'm
So you
very
want
happy
to
to
score
that.
200 plus on a 200 basic rank.
Like I want to achieve that 200 plus thing, but okay, it's fine. As I attended it from lab 2, it's fine for me even to get passed. Like many of the students didn't get passed, but yeah, because of this family, like if you follow them, they tell you everything, how you have to do, what you have to do. You can achieve whatever you want if you follow them. They are amazing. Each and every teacher is amazing here. You can't skip, like maybe you don't want to skip any teacher for any subjects. You have to follow everyone. They have lab 1, lab 2, lab 3. They have revision classes. And Zainab ma'am took that last minute BTR for 3.5 hours. It was nice. It was really helpful, really amazing. Can't say more. Very grateful to this family, this Cerebellum. Very grateful.
Any future tips and tricks for the upcoming students?
I just want to say, just follow them. Just follow them. Just blindly follow them. Don't put your mind, just put your soul, and you will pass. For sure you will pass. You will get your desired rank. You will get your desired numbers. Now I'll go for NEET PG, and obviously I'll follow only mission classes. Nothing else. And BTR also. That's all. No offline classes, nothing. You don't have to burden yourself with that offline sitting thing for 10 hours. You just have to sit in your comfort zone and you just have to study. That's all you have to do with them. It's very nice. Even Zenham ma'am was like, I don't give breaks, because you are not the one who is talking. I'm the one who is teaching. You just have to listen. So do whatever you want, just listen. So yeah, you have to do that only. You can do that bare minimum. Everything the teachers are doing, everything. You just have to follow them. That's great. It's a great
I
experience.
love the teachings that you have taken from her. Great. That's you. Yeah, it's very
Yeah,
inspiring
it is.
indeed.
It is.
Indeed.
It is.
Great. It was great to have you on this podcast. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank